Guys, welcome to my video. This is a washing machine LG and this is 8 kg washing machine, and now we are going to keep the clothes over here. You can see the dirty clothes. Let's keep some clothes. We already kept some clothes inside over there. Let's keep some clothes. Okay, we have kept the clothes, and now we are going to close this door of washing machine. Now let's turn it on. We have to press this power button. You can see over there, this is our cover. You can see. Now here is a indicator in cotton. Let's keep it in mix. Okay, we have kept in mix. Now we have to play this button. You can see over there. We have add some detergents over here. You can see some detergent over here. If you want some softener, you can add over here. Okay, then we have to start the process. Okay, we have kept in mix mode. You can see over here. And now let's play the button. Water supply is coming from this pipe. Okay, now the process is going to start. Okay, let's see what is happening. It is calculating the time. Actually, washing machine is calculating the time. It is fully automatic washing machine, and you can see there is a timer like 1 hour 21 minutes for the whole wash. You can see the time is now 1:07. The clothes is rolling over here. Many washes. You can see the clothes inside that. Now there is a washing cycle. I will back after a while. You can see now it's 43 minutes. You can see now the clothes are rolling inside and it's in cleaning phase. Okay, once the water come out from here, I will show you the demonstration how dirty water come from this pipe. This washing machine has motion DD with more motion with better care. This is a good washing machine you can buy in your local market. I will back after the water comes out from this pipe. See, it's 35 minutes and the water came out from here. You can see the dirty water over here in my toilet. You can see the dirty water from the clothes. It's coming from over here. Now we have cycle has been changed. You can see now it will wash the clothes like something like it will fill the new water and again clean the clothes, and then after you can see the water, some water is over here. It's 34 minutes. Now it will process. It will start rotating the clothes inside over here. It's in 34 minutes. It's in 30 minutes and the washing machine is rotating the clothes such that it is making the dry to those clothes. And again the water comes from the supply and again it will wash for the last time, then after it will done. Let's wait. Now it's 19 minutes running over in washing machine, and the drum is rotating very fast. You can see over there in the video. It is making some buzzy noise, and it's rotating more faster. It is making the clothes dry. I will be back after a while. Now it's in 11 minutes and the mode has been changed. It is in totally dry state now. It will drying the clothes. The clothes is almost 80% dry when it comes out from the washing machine. So you have to take care of all those things. I'll be back after a while. Thank you. In 7 minutes and washing machine is making the clothes dry. Now it's 5 minutes. The drum is rotating very fast to dry the clothes. Little shake in washing machine is normal while rotating the drums. So you need to think about the surface where it will be placed. Don't put in slippery surface so that the washing machine goes out of track. Now there is a 2 minutes showing in the indicator of the washing machine. Now only 1 minute remaining. After that the clothes we can take the clothes out of washing machine. While the washing machine is in operation, the door is locked. You cannot open this door. You can see over this. It's completely locked from inside, automatically locked. Now you need to wait for 1 minute, then some kind of tone indicating the clothes has been washed from the washing machine will buzz and we can take out the clothes. You can see the operation that the wash cycle has been ended and we can take the clothes out from the washing machine. You can see the power is automatically off from the washing machine. Then after we can off this main supply, and then after we can open the door of washing machine and we take the clothes. There are lots of clothes I have kept inside from the washing machine. You can see the clothes are completely clean. It's very clean. Very clean. You can see the clothes. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe my video for more videos, interesting videos. Thank you very much. Bye.